Despite the progress, challenges remain. Upfront costs are still higher than petrol cars, making EVs less accessible for some. The used market is growing, but price parity isn't here yet. Charging is tough for those without off-street parking. Public networks can be inconvenient and patchy. Rural charging black spots persist, making some journeys stressful. Battery production raises environmental and ethical concerns. Mining and recycling need improvement. The electricity grid must adapt to rising demand, requiring smart charging and infrastructure upgrades. These are real, complex issues, but they're being tackled. The electric future isn't perfect, but it's getting closer every day. In 2026, the electric car is no longer if, but when. EVs are now superior in many ways, quieter, smoother, cheaper to run, and better for the air we breathe. Smart design and clever packaging make them more practical and enjoyable. This is more than swapping petrol for batteries. It's a total rethink of the car. Challenges remain, but innovation is relentless. The electric car is driving change in energy, supply chains, and city planning. It's a key part of a larger shift to sustainability. The story of the electric car is one of optimism and ingenuity. We're witnessing a transformation as profound as the Model T. The electric car is paving the way to a cleaner, smarter, and more exciting future.